Hello, what are today's messages? Let's roll the dice and find out. Three. Words are like keys. If you use them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. What is an example of codependency? How you feel about me is how I feel about me. Yep. Fall in love with your life. Then you can invite whoever you like to come join you in your bliss. That's a good one. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. If someone makes you happy, make them happier. And the last one today. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Mel Robbins. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.